Good morning to you all, dear students. So we have completed block 10. So today we'll start with block 11. Okay. So our topic of discussion for today is Thar Desert. Alright, so we'll learn about Thar Desert. Okay. So our aim for today is students will be able to identify the features of Thar Desert through pictures and map. Alright. So our resources required for our class is wall map of India, resource sheet, worksheet S1, your exit content book, and your notebook. So these are the resources that we'll be needing. So the keywords for today is desert and sand dunes. Alright, so this will be the keywords for today. So as usual, let's learn the meaning of what is desert and sand dunes. Okay, desert. I'm sure you all have seen a desert and you know what desert means. So the simple definition of desert is it is a barren area of land or desolate terrain, especially one with little water or vegetation, or a wasteland that is known as desert. Okay, and sand dune, a large semi-permanent mound of wind-blown sand, common along seashore and in desert. So this is known as sand dune. All right. So I hope now you're clear with the meaning of the term. So I want all of you to please observe this given picture carefully. Okay, so this is a picture of a Thar desert. So yes, all of you take time and then please observe the given four picture. Alright, there are four picture here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I want all of you to observe the given picture carefully. Alright, I hope now you are done observing the given picture, right? So what do you see in this picture? What do you see in the given picture? Where do you find camels and sand dunes? Where do you find cactus? Alright, what do you see in this given picture? Where do you find camels and sand dunes? And where do you find cactus? Alright, so please listen carefully, alright? So see, these are the picture of sand dunes, camel and cactus, okay? We can find this feature in a desert. So this feature, camel, sand dunes and cactus, you will find in a desert. Okay, now you please see the given picture. Okay, this is a Indian political map. All right, so I want all of you to please look at this given picture carefully. So we are living in this part of India. Okay, this is northeastern India, North India, Central India, West Indian, and then the last one is the South India. Alright, I hope you all have learned about the direction, right? North, east, west and south. Okay, I hope now you're clear, and I hope you all have also observed the given picture. Let's move ahead. So now please locate the place in India where you can find all this feature. Okay, so after observing this given particular picture, now question here is the features of desert. Alright, the feature of desert like camel, very less plants, no or small river, very very less rainfall, cactus, sand dune and Thar desert. Okay, this is a feature. Okay, all these are the feature of Thar desert. Alright, in Thar desert there is very less camel, there is camel, very less plant, no or small rivers, very less rainfall, cactus, sand dune. All these are features of Thar desert. Okay, so where is the desert located in India? Whether it's in east, west, north or south. What is the desert called? Which states are parts of the desert? So where is the desert located in India? In India, where do you find the desert? Either in the east, west, north or south. Either you find in the north, east, west or south. Where is the what is the desert called? What is the name of the desert? And which states are part of the desert? Okay. Alright, so please listen carefully, okay? So the desert lies in the northwestern part of India, okay? It lies in the northwestern part of India. It is called the Thar Desert, okay? It covers parts of Gujarat and large part of Rajasthan. Alright, so you'll see that desert is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat, okay? This portion, northwestern side of India, alright? And you'll find in Rajasthan and Gujarat, okay? So it stretches from Rajasthan till Gujarat, alright? So you see that part of small part of Gujarat and large part of Rajasthan, they are covered with sand, okay? Desert, and the name of the desert is called Thar Desert. Alright, Thar Desert. So please don't forget that, okay? So the desert you'll find in Rajasthan and Gujarat, and the name of the desert is called Thar Desert, okay? So please remember that one. Okay, so let us generalize our discussion, okay? What type of landform is the desert of Rajasthan? So what kind of land formation is there in the desert of Rajasthan? Is it plain or mountain? How is the Indian desert different from the northern plains? Can you find any river in Rajasthan? So what type of landform you will find in Rajasthan? Okay, Rajasthan, as you can see the name Rajasthan out here, right? So what type of landform is the desert of Rajasthan? Is it plain or mountain? And how is the Indian desert different from the northern plain? Alright, even the northern plain we have learned that it is located in different part of India, right? The northern plain are the Bihar, the Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana. Okay, all these are northern plain. So how is Rajasthan different to the northern plain? Alright. How is the Indian different desert different from the northern plain? Can you find any river in Rajasthan? Okay, so please listen to the explanation carefully. The Thar Desert is a plain area, okay? So remember, Thar Desert is a plain area. The northern plains have rivers and green fields, whereas the Indian desert has sand dune and very few plants. Alright, so in northern plain, the difference between the northern plain and desert is the northern plains they have river, alright, and they have green fields, okay, whereas the desert they have sand dune and very less plants. No big river flow through the Thar Desert. Alright, in Thar Desert there is no big river as that of the northern plain like the Ganga and Yamuna. Okay, only one river flow through the desert. That is Luni, River Luni. Okay, which is a seasonal river because it gets its water from the rainfall. Okay, so there's only one river that flows through Thar Desert. That is River Luni, and that is also a seasonal river, not a permanent river, okay, because it gets its water from the rainfall. All right, now let's try something higher order, okay? So what do you think will be the climate in Thar Desert? Give reason to support your answer. So what according to you will be the climate in Thar Desert? Whether it will be a cold place, a hot place, or a normal place. Alright, and give reason to support your answer. Okay, I am sure you all have a little bit ideas about what desert look like and what will be the climate. Okay, I'm sure you have seen through a movie or through a geographical channel. Okay, so please listen carefully as I explain to you. The climate is hot. All right, the climate is hot and it gets very less rainfall. Okay, in desert you'll see that the climate is very hot and it gets very less rainfall. Okay, we can say this from the picture we have seen. Right. Camels and cactus are found in areas with hot climate and less rainfall. Okay, because of that, we can assume that the climate is very hot. Okay, so also we have seen from the picture as well. All right, and we have seen the picture of camel, we have seen the picture of cactus, and those are found in areas with hot climate and less rainfall. All right, so things to do for today. Okay, you have to finish your worksheet S1. All right, worksheet S1, and then you have to even do your practice question number 2. Where is the Thar desert located? All right, along with the worksheet S1. Okay, first question number 1 is you have to look at the map and answer the question. The color the desert region. All right, from this given map you have to color the desert region, you have to name the desert, and you have to write the name of the state covered by the desert. All right, in which state you will find desert, so you have to do that one. And question number 2 is write two features of desert. All right, question number 3 is how is the climate in Thar desert different from the climate in the northern mountains. All right, so those things you have to do by yourself. Okay, that's it for our class for today. Thank you, stay safe, take care, and have a good day.